How to fix Viber not sending pictures. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if you are unable to send pictures or images on Viber app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is check if the app is up to date. For that, you first open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and simply search for Viber and you'll see the result right here. If you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and update the app to its latest version. Now what you need to do is after you update the app, tap on the settings icon on your phone, scroll down until you find your app settings and just search for Viber. Now you're just going to tap on the app and force stop the app because if the app is running on the background or some unknown activity is going on, it will completely stop the app. And after you've done that, head over to the storage section to clear cache because it might be some of the junk files that are stored on your app that might be causing the problem. And after doing that, you can also try to clear all of its data, but you have to note that you will be logged out of your account and you'll have to log back in again. And once you have done that, head over to the battery uses, make sure it's set to unrestricted, and finally on mobile data, make sure the background data usage is turned on. After doing all of this, just give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.